Welcome again in part 2. In our weekly plan for today, we have to finish some students' book tasks after studying the world's deadliest creatures. Please go to page 56. So we should answer some tasks there. Okay. Now here it is. Okay, first let's go to page 56. 56, task number 2. Already we talked about task number 1. Let's go to task number 2. We have 2 pictures here for 2 deadliest creatures. Do you know them? Yes. The first one is the tiger shark and the other one is the blue-ringed octopus. Yes. Here we have 3 sentences and we have to name the creature, which one of these creatures that this sentence talks about. Since the space is very small, I advise you to write numbers. Let's write numbers. For example, tiger shark is number 1 and the blue-ringed octopus number 2. Let's read the sentences. Number 1, the has a venomous beak. Which one has a venomous beak? If you go back to the text about the deadliest creatures, you will find that the blue-ringed octopus has a blue-ringed feet. So please, because you don't have much space, just write here 2. Let's write 2, okay? Now, let's move to number 2. There is another piece of information and we have to name the creature that it tells about. The space sometimes attack humans. Do you remember which one we discussed that it attacks sometimes humans? Yes, it is the shark. So please easily just write 1. Now, number 3. One of these has long venomous tentacles. And please, I want you to listen to the way how we pronounce tentacles. Listen, please.
Tentacles. Tentacles. Tentacles.
Yes, tentacles. Okay. Now, let's go back to the book. Okay. Now, again, one of these has long venomous tentacles. Yes, can you see these tentacles? Yes, it is the blue-ringed octopus. Okay. Is it understood? Yes, let's move to the next part. First, I need to erase. Okay. Now, let's move to the next part. Okay. Now, I want you to move to page 57 and go to this table. Here we have a list of animals and we have what they can do. Now, let's read these animals, this list of animals together. Spider, cobra, scorpion, octopus, bee, and sharks. Now, here these animals, each of them can do one of these things. They can bite, or they can spit, or they can sting. And you have ticks. And you remember when we studied a table like this? Yes. If it has a tick, this means that this creature does this thing. Okay, I want you to study this table well, then go to the questions. Let's read the chart to find the answers. If you go back to the chart, I want you to see if the cobra bites, spits, or stings. Let's go to the cobra. The cobra, it can spit. So please, I want you to highlight the word spit. Or, sorry, let me erase it. I want you to highlight the word spit. Or you can easily write here, okay, draw a line and write it can spit or it spits. Okay? Now, let's go to question number 2. Now, which creatures bite their prey? I want you to notice that we read this word prey, and it means the hunted animal, or the animal that will be killed as food. Now, if we go to the verb bites, let's see the animals that have ticks. Okay, yes. First, the spider can bite. Okay. Also, the octopus can bite, and the shark can bite. Okay. So, the spider, octopus, and shark can bite their prey. Now, let's move to question number 3. Which creatures sting their prey? They sting. Let's go to the verb sting and see what are these sticks for. Okay? Yes, that's right. Now, those who can sting, let me just erase these first. Okay? And let's see what can sting people or prey or animals. Yes, stings. We have here is a tick. Let's go. Yes, it is the scorpion. Okay, and also we have the bee. Okay, so please just easily highlight them. Okay, highlight scorpion or bee, or easily you can draw a line here, please, and write them. I want you all to draw lines and write neatly. Pay attention for leaving enough finger space, and please end your answers with full stops if they are sentences. That's all for this chart. Now let's go to this writing task. I want you to look at these two pictures. What can you see in the first picture? Yes, it is a lion, and the other one is a hen. Okay, now I want you to stick a sticky note here next to the lion here. Okay, and I want you to stick another one here. Okay, stick one here. Okay, now I want you to give me examples next to the lion about animals that are not safe to touch. In other words, it is deadliest or it's dangerous. And I want you to write here next to the hen a list of animals that are safe to touch. Let's make a brainstorming. Give me examples on animals that are not safe. Think about it. Yes, bravo, well done. We have many examples. I'll give you mine that I have in my mind, like spiders, snakes, tigers, And the others that are safe I have in my mind, like cat, bird, duck. I want you to write a list of 3 of unsafe animals and a list of 3 safe animals. Okay? That is super easy. But be careful, write them on sticky notes and stick it to the book next to the animal. Now, I want you to move to next task that is about sound and spelling. Here you have sentences, 5 sentences. 1 syllable is missing from a word in each sentence. Add the missing syllables and copy the sentences. Actually, I want you just to do the first part. Don't copy the sentences, okay? Don't do it. Now, do you remember how I taught you to cut the words into syllables, which means parts of pronunciation? Okay. I want you to write the missing syllable of each word. Let's read the sentences together. Now, let's go to number 1. Read them, please. Read them alone, please, and try to read. Never stop reading. You have to read day by day. The funnel web spider has venom in its fangs. Spider. Spy. This is syllable number 1. There. So the missing letters are D, E, R. Now I have the word spider. Excellent. Now go to number 2. The spitting cobra. What is the other part that is missing? Yes, you are right. It is cobra. We need R-A. The spitting cobra can spit its venom 2 meters. Number 3. The scorpion. Okay, what are the missing syllable? Yes, it is P and I. Scorpion stings with its tail. Number 4, the octopus. Yes, I need a T. Oh, the octopus has a venomous beak. The last one, the box jellyfish. Jellyfish. We have 1 L, so we need another L to make double L. And Y, the jellyfish has long tentacles. So please write the missing parts, okay? Now, talking about missing letters, I want you also to see to write down here the missing syllables to finish the names of the months correctly. Do you remember the song of the months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, that's right. Now, I want you to write the missing parts. For January, what is the missing part? What is the missing part? Yes, it's just U. January. Okay, January. And what about February? We need an A and we need R. Yes. February. And after February, what is the month that follows February? Yes, it is March. It is March, and now we are in March. Okay. Now, after March, we have April. What is the missing part? Yes, it is I-R-I-L. After April, we have April, May. May, 3 letters make the month May. Okay, this is M-A-Y. May, June. Yes, we have June. How we spell June? J-U-N and E. Okay, let me fix my E. And let me fix my E. I don't like it. I'm trying to write neatly, but you know, because I'm using the pen. June, we have here E. Now, after June, we have July. Just 2 letters. What are they? L-Y. Next, we have August. What are the missing letters? G-U-S-T. August. And next, we have September. So the missing letters are T, E, M. That's correct. And next we have October. The last syllable has B-E-R. November, the initial one is N-O. November, and the last one, December. The middle one is C-E-M. Actually, this is a good exercise to remind you of the spelling of the months. So please write them neatly and never miss a letter. Okay? Let me stop here and meet you in part 3. See you.